So over here in Jamboard homepage, it is easy to view the files in different ways. For example, over here you can see that on the top, you can filter out the files by ownership. So let's say right now it's owned by anyone. So you are seeing all the files that are shared to you or you own at the same place. But if you just want to see the file that you own by yourself, then you can go around over here, click on Owned by Me, and then you'll only see the file owned by you. Or not owned by me, then you'll only see the file owned by others, but shared to you, as you can see. You can also refresh out if you feel that something is not there, and if someone shared the file, you need to refresh the file. And then you can go around, sort it out by last opened by me right here. You can sort it out by last modified, so the last one you edited will be at the top. Last modified, so last modified by others will be there at the top as well. And you can also arrange this out by title. And over here, you can see this in row view if you want to as well, and thumbnail view. So thumbnail view is the default one, but if you want to view it differently, then you can go for row view, as you can see. And that is how you can use the view option inside of Google Jamboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.